This is an upiaq language activity video tutorial for the activity called Taiḻḷaviuŋ with cards. The purpose of the activity is to allow learners to demonstrate their ability to correctly describe the images from an evalu unit. This activity is recommended for any learners that are able to describe the images that are being played with. A group size of 4 to 6 players is ideal. However, the game can be played with a much larger group as long as all participants can sit or stand around the table or the floor that has the cards. In order to play this activity, learners need to have mostly mastered the productive language portion of the unit being played with. In order to play, you need a set of aviuŋ playing cards and a surface such as a table or a floor to lay the cards on. Have the players help you split the deck and put all of the cards of the same colored back face down on the table or floor so that there is only one of each picture from the set. We have older cards that have purple and green backs. The newer cards have blue and yellow backs. It doesn't matter which color you choose as long as all of the participants put the cards in the middle that have the same color back. Explain to the players that they will pick a random card on their turn and that they need to see if they remember how to say it. Also explain that it is important to not blurt out the description if you know it, but to give the person that picked up the card the time to try to say it. Once you begin playing, have one student pick up a card and try to describe it in an upiaq. If a learner can describe the picture, they get to keep the card. If the student cannot remember how to describe it, he or she should say, "Peroktungā," I forget, and pass the card to his or her right, counterclockwise, for that student to try. If the next player doesn't remember how to describe the card, then the card continues getting passed around the table till every learner has had a chance to describe the picture. If none of the learners remember how to describe the image, the teacher provides the description, has everyone repeat it once or twice, and then slips the card back onto the table and remixes the cards on the table. The next player picks up a card and the game continues in the same way. Play happens clockwise and stealing happens counterclockwise. Anytime a player is able to describe the card, they get to keep that card, and the winner is the person with the most cards at the end of the game.
Okay, now the next game is called Taiḻḷaviuŋ, okay? And for this game, we're going to put only one color in the middle. So everyone put the green cards in the middle. Green cards in the middle. In no order. They're just all over the place, okay? They're not like in a stack. Just all the green cards in the middle, okay? And then I'll take all the purple ones and put them back in the bag. Okay. So this game is called Taiḻḷaviuŋ. And Taiḻḷaviuŋ means, can you say it? Can you say it? Okay? So the way this game works is on your turn, you're going to pick up one of these cards. Okay? And you're going to see if you know how to say it. Now, King Alukan and I are not going to play, okay? Because we know all of these, okay? And so it would be kind of a cheating here because we know them all. Okay, so we're going to start with Apayao. Pick any one of them up and see if you can say it. Nobody give her the answer if she can't remember. Upiaq. Show everybody. Upiaq. Pinyak Sigati, your turn. Taiļļaviuŋ. Good job. Taiļļaviuŋ. Upiaq. Yeah, go ahead. Upiaq. Ariga. Okay, so then when you forget, so we play clockwise, we steal counterclockwise, okay? So we're going to go all the way around, and we're going to stop when the person with the person who remembers it. Do you remember that one? Close, but nope. What about you? Upiaq. There we go. Good job. That was yours. So now it's your turn. Upiaq. Easy. Easy. Okay. Pinyaksigatin. Nyakok. E. Stealing goes that way. It does start with a Q. And lots of people have a hard time with this one. They have a hard time remembering it. I have an easy time. It's because I knew a kid from Kali. That was his name. Yeah. Exactly. And
that's how I remember that guy too.
Exactly. Close. Good start. Komosek. Komosek. Okay. So now it's your turn again, right? Because that one went all the way around. Putuvok. Pinyaksigatin.
This one is peanut, right?
Peanut. Ariga. W. Pinyaksigatin. Naomi. Wasn't it? That one was yours, right? Yeah. Isiga. Ariga. Oh, make it an easy one. An easy one.
Said it earlier.
Is this one kahlu?
Yes, good job, good job.
Because I always mix up the lips with it open and closed.
Yes, yeah. Okay, whose turn is it? Because I'm lost. Upiaq again? Go ahead. Nuke. E. Anuluk.
We were just talking about this one. Kusik.
Ikusik. E. Pinyaksigatin.
Nuyat.
Nuyat. E. Oh, I remember. Do you remember it? Give her a try. So close.
Almost.
Almost.
Wait,
No.
Kablu.
Kablu. So close. So close. Whose turn is it? I lost track.
Is it your turn?
Yay! First one, yay!
Narak.
Narak. We heard
Is
this.
he up?
Oh, so close. Oh, no. Give it back to him. Let's see. We heard it so many times in the game.
Oh.
Sick beach.
Hopefully. No, that's
Go backwards. No, backwards.
Is the teeth? Look at it.
It's the mouth. Just the mouth.
Oh. I forgot.
No, that's the lips. Okay, now, so I'll tell you how I remember this one, okay? So how do we say snowflake or snow? Kannik, okay? Kannik, which has two N's and a K at the end, okay? Kannik. This one is kanik, okay? I love words that have a slight difference so that you can hear kanik. You have the Q at the end, kanik versus kanik. How many of you have a friend named Kanik? Kanik. Nobody has a Kanik friend?
yeah.
Yeah, your cousin, there you go. So then you can remember that for kanik, okay? Just a slight difference in the words. Okay, so then usually I put this back in.
I'm already mixed
Now
up.
yeah, good. You guys are all mixed up. Whose turn is it? Because I lost. Is it Manuluk's turn? Go ahead, Manuluk. See what you got. Hopefully it's the one I just said.
Oh, cute.
Kihutit. Kanik.